Welcome to Civil Concept. In this video, we will learn how to calculate a bar bending schedule, also called BBS, using a simple step-by-step method. This method is very useful for site engineers, contractors, students, and anyone involved in RCC construction. First, let us understand what BBS is. Bar bending schedule or BBS is a detailed list of reinforcement bars showing their bar mark, diameter, shape, cutting length, quantity, and total weight. Preparing a BBS helps us estimate steel accurately, reduce wastage, control project cost, and manage reinforcement work efficiently. Now, let us see the basic formulas used in BBS. The first formula is the cutting length formula. Cutting length equals total straight length plus hook length plus lap length minus bend deduction plus extra allowance. While preparing a BBS, always include the required hooks and lap lengths and consider bend deductions according to the drawing. Next is the unit weight formula. Unit weight of steel in kilograms per meter is equal to D square divided by 162. Here, D is the diameter of the reinforcement bar in millimeters. Similarly, the unit weights of common steel bars are 8 millimeters equals 0.395 kilograms per meter, 10 millimeters equals 0.617 kilograms per meter, 12 millimeters equals 0.889 kilograms per meter, 16 millimeters equals 1.58 kilograms per meter, 20 millimeters equals 2.47 kilograms per meter, 25 millimeters equals 3.85 kilograms per meter. Finally, we calculate the total steel weight. The formula is total steel weight equals cutting length times quantity times unit weight. Before finalizing your BBS, always remember these important tips. Always include hook length. Check the required lap length. Verify the bar shape before cutting. And finally, add 2 to 5% extra steel to cover cutting loss and wastage. Using these simple formulas, you can prepare a bar bending schedule quickly and accurately for any RCC member. We hope this video helps you understand the basics of BBS. For more civil engineering knowledge and free civil calculators, visit www.civilconcept.com.